All right, let's do an unboxing of this DeWalt supercharger. This is better than the one that they sell in Home Depot. And Home Depot is completely old version. So I'll show you here. I took it out of the box already, but anyway. So it says multi-port simultaneous fast charger. That is a good thing. The total of these, as far as I can tell, is 8 amps. The one that you see on Home Depot is only 4 amps. So here you will see this is the model DCB104, and as you can see, it says this is something wrong with marketing, or they don't know what they're doing. Here it says 12 volts 20, but also you can charge the 60 volts. So the 60 volts works great as well. So as you can see, so I'll show you the other side of the box. So it's basically the same thing here on the other area. 3 years warranty, 1 year free service, and 90 days money back if you have any issues. It says 110 if you're in Latin America. You can use a transformer from 220 to 110. Here, as you can see here, it says 8 amps. So that is what I was talking before, if you see, because the other one that I saw on Home Depot is older version. They say always the next generation in Home Depot, but they sell the old stuff. So also here, I think you can buy the track. The track is trash to me. It doesn't make any sense. Yeah, you can add it. To me, it would be better just to take it apart and insert the Apple AirTag, and that's it. Otherwise, the system, the DeWalt system, the Bluetooth it sucks. It doesn't work. It doesn't do anything. So here on the other side, let's see if we have any other spec that might be useful. That's it. Made in Vietnam, and it says this distributed by Home Depot. All right, I'll show you the product itself. So as you can see, when you buy, you take it out of the box. It comes like this, and if you see here, it says 8 amps fast charger, and the other ones it says 4. And another thing, if you see here it doesn't say 8 amps. It doesn't say anything, so it's kind of weird. If you see here, it says 12, 20, and it doesn't say anything else. So 8 amps, it should be bigger, but it is not. So as you can see here, the good thing about this charger that I like it a lot, if you see here on this area, you have the holes, so that way you can, if you have a plywood on the other side, you can put some screws, and that's it. You don't have those holes that you have to make it fit in order to install it. So this is easy, fast. So as you can see, you have the extension cord here. You have a place if you have to loop it around. The vent here. You have the handle, so if you have to take it on site. In my case, I'm going to fix it in the inside of my vehicle, and that's it. So if you see, I'll show you here. I plug in this battery, 60 volts. As you can see here, these batteries, they are 60-20 volts, so you can use it with any other tool. So I plug it in so that we see it works, and it will start charging. So anyway, this is pretty full, but as you can see, it started charging just fine. And once it's completely charged, it will stop blinking, and that's it. But other than that, I mean, it's very simple. I like it a lot, and it works very, very well. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know, section below. And if you want to keep learning, go to my playlist. I have all my videos organized by topics. Thank you for watching. See you next time.